We have constantly to criticize our own theories, our own interpretations. And criticism of this kind, which I have in mind, could be called rational criticism because it is criticism of our own theories in the interest of truth. It must be impersonal, completely impersonal criticism. It is criticism which asks itself, have we not made a mistake? Have we not overlooked something? Can we not find fault in what we have thought, interpreted, constructed, or whatever? It is criticism, as it were, from inside, in the sense that it is a criticism directed to improving our knowledge. The knowledge which we have may be faulty and therefore should be improved through criticism. One can compare this to the following. The search for certainty is like erecting a wall round your castle and build the wall higher and higher and higher. It will never be quite high enough to establish certainty. So we have to buy a watchdog. Then we don't need such a high wall, and the watchdog looks from inside. That is this internal criticism which I have in mind.